Welcome back to the channel. Happy Halloween. Alright, so today we're gonna see if we can't clear Bunker Bravo all levels. Now I'm using the Scar and I got it up to 212. And the most important thing is the rad. Actually got damaged by a couple of days ago. Put it on unlock all doors and I went searching and was lucky enough to find red pepper. So I just split it to the time for some of the bottles. Also put a bunch of 212 DPS scars in the box as well, so got plenty of this thing is just shredding. I was using, what was it, AK-47 in the flare gun, so like you shoot it in the flare gun and it starts with 5 damage and it's like having an element effect on your gun. I thought I might put these pieces of slots because they actually restore health as well as get rid of radiation. They're really handy. Guess that's why they're so rare. I hate riot zombies, man. Just drop your shield already so I can shoot them. And I will say, even with mods, level 2 or level 3 I think it is still pretty hard. You gotta need some patience and to think. This parasite thing, exploders never used to do that when I played. So I'll wait I can either upgrade the bike all the way to max level, so I can get back to the 10k, or I can try to run Bunker Bravo. I'm pretty sure it's definitely get reset so I can put new parts to upgrade the bike. So it's going to take a while. I have all the parts, I just keep yeah. I don't have the bike. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention too, I put it on ventilation and the turret's off, so there's still some noises, just the noises I don't want to do. This would be so hard without mods. Respect to the people that do this without mods. I seriously hate rat zombies. This are also gonna you don't have to do it all the time, do them all at once. I can just avoid them. So pop out the friendly ones. And just like that. Talk about that third one real quick. Whoops, wrong one. Take care of that real quick too. Some all the time. The other one. If you can get them other ones killed quick enough, you come here, you need C4 for it. So it's not a cheap thing to do if you're not modded. But come here, you open these. You can turn the turrets on real quick. I don't know if that shoots the liquidator or anyway, moving on. Setting this up and check it. I'm pretty sure floor 2 and 3 you don't get much good stuff. Still worth checking anyway, just in case. Yes, I got cogs. We need that anti-radiation stuff. Speaking of that, I forgot to make a red suit. I'm going to need that. I mean, I can always spam radiation pills, but you don't want everything attacking you and radiation at the same time. That's just annoying. Next floor. Now, I see a lot of people saying, oh, don't turn the turrets off, don't turn the turrets off. But like, you know how annoying them turrets are in the final stretch, especially if you die and you have to go back through. So I turn ventilation and them off, because if you clear everything out and then you die, use the batteries, get back to normal health, and nothing's going to spawn, and there's no other turrets. That's another thing I was using the flare gun for, because then they take damage while you're moving away from them. Also kind of I'm not sure why they're so good. They are. Just about this one. Move on. Sweet. Them slackers are pretty strong. You don't realize it at first. 20. You might accidentally step on a puddle during that. This ain't too bad, but I'm also not sure if this is the max potential for this scar, but 212 I can get anything else. Pretty sure the M16 goes on, and the Do you ever have a problem with the buttons not responding sometimes? All the time. Speaking of, I tried to run away, but instead I had to control, otherwise I would have died. I'm not sure what's up with that. My screen's quite clean. I play a lot of mobile games. I don't know. It might just be the positioning of audio. That might be a mistake. Oh, just wait for this guy to drop his shield down. Gonna get through these guys. To fight Dr. Dread. So those elements are really annoying. If you stay up like this, they can't. Of course, they can heal when they hit you. I think toxic. Whatever you want to call it, vomit, you don't get hurt, and it won't heal. So if you bring this back down, and take out the right square, that's enough. If you hide behind these pillars, that doesn't affect you. Try to melt this guy real quick. You want to try to find things that not hurt. That's a mistake. Wrong timing. Heal, heal, heal. Alright, so yeah, like I was saying, we want to damage these riot zombies and take our time. We don't want to damage them. There's too much stuff. We're gonna panic. It's gonna get crazy. Not much health left on them. Toxic skewer. See if he's fast enough to chase us over here. We're almost done. I think the last thing is take him out. Oh god. I was so close. Let's actually just take him out. We did it. Heal up. Send that up. Let's quickly check that. Might be something good. I've heard though that like it's level 4 that you want to do. I've never even seen level 4, so it's going to be interesting. At least you get red pills from doing that as well. I got my red pills from, I went to the floor Dr. Dread's on, and I set the thing up for unlocked rooms. Searched the chest and changed it after I died and got them. Then you come back, you can get it from your body. My zombies are so annoying. There's got to be a better way to do that, like. And keep it on. So you need a good gun for this level, straight up, unless you get the good iron. Part of the movement that spawns at the start is good. Alright. I guess patrol things might be good for this one. We'll find out. Goddamn, bro. This gun is just... I'm wondering where I got all the schematics for the gun pieces. I went to the piece station every time it reset, and I've fixed all of the boxes, so I just get purple boxes and you get heaps of purple schematics from that. You might already have them, but it's kind of old every couple of days, so it's worth doing. I also Alpha, and for some reason it just lets you infinitely trade with the dude on this mod, so it just gives you blueprints. So get a ton of blueprints that way. To be honest, I don't even know where else to get blueprints from. Like I've heard you can go in the red zone. I think the red zone is like 1,000 times. I've never seen a blueprint, so. Well, the purple one anyway. Only in the police station. This level of not noticing too many parts, so maybe that's annoying. Oh, by the way, I don't know if it's a single player game like this, it's fine. You're doing it for fun. I spent like $100 back when this game was like to get a gas tank, and guess what I didn't get? I didn't get the tires and the handlebars. And gas tank for some reason. That's why I started. Sure. Let me just quickly heal this off before I open. Alright. I wonder what this boss is gonna be like. So many. Okay, so we can. This is late. What the hell? Why did I make that level so far? This is just annoying. And we'll go check the box. Well, I guess that's Bunker Bravo done. If I get a tank and wheels, then I don't need to come back because I can just split them. Mods. Nice, I got both. Alright, let's go finish the ATV. Man, I didn't think I'd ever get this thing when I first started playing because, like, I couldn't even find a gas tank when I first started playing. Now we got an ATV. Oh, that's crazy. I wonder why we don't have the zombie car yet. Tried building that before, and it's still just a weird pixel thing, not loading. Finalized. Nice. I can't put fuel on this thing because it's up against the wall. So you're gonna go off the map and then come back, and it will spawn next to your house. Then I fueled it up and we came here. Now I'm gonna leave on this note. Happy Halloween, and to be continued.